What's that? A microphone?
So that's a fuzzy thing on the microphone so that we don't hear a bunch of whoosh sounds from all over the place. It kind of helps the microphone just listen to your voices.
What voices?
Your voices. You right now talking.
Having one Black teacher within grades K through 3 and then again in 3 through 5 reduced the rates of dropout for low-income Black boys by about 40%.
Growing up a biracial male, I feel like if I had a teacher at those early stages, they would have been a pillar for me to lean on, to get advice from, because we would have been through similar struggles.
I think in everybody's mind, right, there's this sense of what a school looks like and what a school should be. Perhaps that served us well at some time, and I think it's always served one group of people better than it has served other people. If we're going to serve every single child, which we absolutely have to do, then we really do need to rethink what school looks like.
When we were building our plan with a focus on diversity, equity, and inclusion, we sort of knew what sounded good, but we didn't really know what it looked like. And now I feel like we live it every day.
Vital Voices is a podcast from Corning Incorporated, exploring the innovative ways companies can be a force for good. I'm Sissy Siero.
And I'm Millicent Ruffin, Director of Community Affairs in the Office of Racial Equality and Social Unity at Corning. We work in communities where Corning has locations to help address socioeconomic disparities. And one of the biggest determinants of socioeconomic status is education.
Those voices you just heard in the opening are just some of the voices that we'll be featuring over the next 5 episodes of this podcast. Corning has a long, rich history of innovation. Inventions in glass and ceramics, from optic cable to Gorilla Glass to mirrors on the James Webb Space Telescope, all make a vital impact on society. This vital impact includes the communities where Corning employees live and work. That's why this show is called Vital Voices.
A lot of what we're going to talk about in these episodes is the importance that diversity in education and diversity awareness in education plays in addressing socioeconomic disparities in our country.
Each episode showcases the work of DE&I education coordinators, principals, teachers, superintendents, student teachers, and more.
Part of my framework with diversity, equity, and inclusion is centered in grace, centered in trust, centered in loving kindness. So I tend to lean upon that when I go to support school leaders, administrators, students.
The Scholar Teachers Program is a commitment that our county made to finding pathways for high school students in Edgecombe that want to become teachers to be able to go to college, graduate debt-free, and then come back to teach in our county.
So make sure to follow us and get ready to listen to the new season of Vital Voices wherever you get your podcasts.